Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be installing this beautiful 28-inch body wave wig. Thank you to WestKiss for sponsoring this video. This is a 28-inch wig, 13x6 body wave from WestKiss, and guys, I am loving it, don't you? Look at it, get into it. Look at that lace. I'm so in love with this hair. I'm ready to go on vacation. And it's just super long. Like, look at this. So guys, if you want to see me install this wig and style it, please keep watching. Okay guys, so I look crazy right now, but let's get cute. Okay, so of course this wig is from WestKiss Hair. Came with this nice satin bag, and this bonnet is actually from them too, and it's like reversible, so you can flip it. I got it on this side. And so yeah guys, let's get started. So right here to the right side of the camera, this is the wig beforehand. I did already bleach, pluck, and mold my wig down. I did that off camera, but you guys can see what the wig looked like beforehand, because you know once you wash it, the pattern does fade. So this is sis. So this is what the wig looks like. I washed it. It's still really pretty, and it's really long. Y'all gonna see. This is what my frontal looks like. The inside, I actually cut out the combs that were in there because it always gets stuck in my hair, and I hate that. But yeah, and I already cut the lace off. I'm just gonna tighten it up with these elastics here, and then we're gonna pop this wig right on. I'm just trying to make sure none of my cap is showing through the lace, just in case I may have to cut some of the cap back. Okay guys, so you know the drill. All I'm gonna do is flip my hair back. My handy dandy guts to be, make sure my ears are out. So guys, you already know I'm just gonna take this hairspray, spray it all the way across. I'm gonna do it 2 or 3 layers, just depending on if I can catch the second layer sticky or not. Then we're just gonna plop it down, but I'm gonna speed this up because you guys seen me do this plenty of times. Okay guys, so now that my lace is down, I'm gonna add baby hair. I'm gonna get ready to pull out where I want baby hair. And I only want baby hair, it's like right here in my temples. Okay, so now that I see how much baby hair that I want out, it's gonna be like this. Take my motions mousse. I'm gonna mold the hair that's not in the baby hair. Ooh, I'm gonna mold the hair that's not in the baby hair to go backwards. If you guys don't have a brush like this, you need to get one. You see it? And try not to get your baby hair wet. just gonna take my little scissors and stretch the baby hair and cut it at an angle right under my brow bone. I don't know if I cut it too short. Yeah, because I didn't really want it that short. So I'm gonna take my little mini flat iron. Every time I use a straightener, guys, I burn myself, so excuse the little faces. Okay guys, so to lay my edges in place, I'm just gonna be taking my edge brush. I use both sides, the comb and the brush, some Got to Be glue spray, and some foam mousse. I like to mix these together because, you know, this can make your lace come up, so be careful with that. And this just holds it into place. It's like a good little mixture for me. The curling the baby hair is what makes it super easy. Okay, so I was gonna use this edge brush. Let me see how far it goes back. This is a really nice edge scarf. It's like perfect. It's velvet. They did send this to me. Okay guys, so you know the drill. I'm gonna go do my makeup and we'll be right back to curl our hair. Okay guys, so I'm done with my makeup. Go away. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. So now we're gonna curl our hair. We're just gonna be using this wand. I'm not sure what inch this is. This is the New Me wand. This is my friend one actually. Hey diamond girl. And I have my hot comb just in case my hair isn't laying flat enough for me at the top. So let's get going. Oh, so rude. Yeah, I really like this band. Like it literally stays in place. Oh, okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be using this olive oil nourishing Sheen spray with coconut oil. This smells really good. And it's just so much easier to apply this than it is oil on my hands. But I just want to kind of weigh my hair down with the oil because I want my hair to lay. So I'm just going to wrap and wand. Oh my god, I'm already burning myself. And the curl is just gonna look like that. I haven't wanded my hair in such a long time. I really wanted to just do it for this video to see how I like it because it is literally 11 p.m. I'm gonna curl this side going this way and this side going this way. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna speed this up because I'm doing literally the exact same thing. I will see you guys when I make it to the top. So yeah guys, now that we're at the top, I'm gonna curl the top looser than I curled the bottom. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna put on a few pieces of jewelry so I can like bring this look together, because I am loving it. My baby hair is acting a little crazy, but oh look guys, I got my ears pierced 2 more times. I already had one hole and I just got 2 more added to each ear, and I freaking love it. So I can't take those earrings out, my 2 at the top. I got them done like a week ago. Cute. This is my first time changing my earrings. This is how it came out. I'm loving this hair, and it's super long. Look, it's really long. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check all the links down below. This wig will be in the description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment. Make sure you subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.